We're just friends. So don't go look at me, no, in your eye. You really ain't going on without a fight. You give me reason, but don't be impolite. I told you one time, 4, 5, 6,000 times. But I made it, I made it, I made it very clear. Yeah.
Easter weekend, Daydreams is back in Ocho Rios at the breathtaking Grizzlies Plantation Cove on Sunday, April 1st from 4 to 10 p.m. Come experience one of the island's best all-inclusive events. Music by Jamaica's best. Copper Shot, Chromatic, Crazy Neo, and Illusion. Get your tickets now at $6,500 general and $8,000 VIP pre-sold. Available at Fontana Pharmacy, island-wide, and online at myrightimage.com. Daydream Sunset Bliss this Easter Sunday. Must be 18 and older to drink. No weapons allowed.
Must stay home.